is a short side trip on a newly constructed trail from City Park. If you have found this video before the Park to Arch video, please check out that one next, as it is one of the normally produced videos that covers cities and greenways. This is just some bonus content. As you can see, they weren't quite done with it yet, but I'm only here a couple times a year to visit my in-laws, so I recorded what I could on my last visit. From what I can tell, this will be a Brickline Greenway connection, and I would guess that this was done in conjunction with the St. Louis City SC as they built their team store and practice facility. The trail runs south from City Park, goes under Interstate 64, and then dead ends at South 22nd Street. It seems like this will one day be a connection to Jefferson. There are some bike lanes coming to that road, and the intersection of Jefferson and Chouteau is, I believe, going to be St. Louis's first protected intersection. So I can see how this one day becomes a safe cut-through to get to City Park and the Brickline Greenway. The section north of Clark shows up on Google Maps as a protected bike lane, but this segment south wasn't there as of publication of this video. Those are the Metrolink tracks over there, and that's actually how I found this trail. I was just looking out the window and happened to see it. Big thanks to the folks at St. Louis Urbanists who answered my question when I was trying to figure out what this trail was. Visit their website, follow them on social media, and join their Discord. If you are interested in the exciting active transportation improvement happening in St. Louis, then this is the best place to learn and stay up to date. Take a minute to subscribe to this channel, as I will do my best to document the existing and future projects in this region.